We're rolling. This idiot.
What? Is that what it's called?
We're trying to be professional here.
Oh, right. What was this engine?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Anyway, guys, we've got another engine to destroy. This one is a Banggood special. Link down below. We've got Stemp in the house because Stemp loves engines.
We're back with a plastic lump to blow up again.
We're going to blow it up. We're going to be nice to it.
Yeah, I want to put an angle grinder on it, really.
Well, we'll build it nice.
Yeah.
And then if you guys behave, we might blow it up at the end.
Alright. You know what's coming, boys and girls.
Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year.
Oh. Is this new, Kev?
Hey! It's supposed to be a professional review.
Oh, look at that scratch.
Oh, we edit that out. Alright, so we've got V8, block. Oh, where's the crank?
This is full China on this one. Look, that's got dual turbos, isn't they?
Oh, twin turbo, baby! Twin turbo V8. Temps on the drink.
Right, open that up for us.
Glug glug, glug glug. That's beer number 10, isn't it?
I wish.
So, I've got all the cam stuff kind of put together. Next, we've got to put it inside the head. Stempy's putting the pistons on the crank.
On the bottom end.
Go on, shove it on, Stemp. Come on, clumsy.
It's all greasy.
He's had too much beer. Stemp's getting slaughtered. That's crap, isn't it? Trying to get a nice little smooth shot there.
Oh, what do you want it? You want it just like that?
That's it, mate.
Batteries are in, Kev.
Got in. What's happening? Get those turbos on there, boy. Gonna show her on, Stemp.
Working light bulb.
But guys, we're ready. Look at it. Once Stempy finishes faffing, we can turn it on and watch it move. What the hell's going on here, man? It's broken. It's got a crack in it. All right, we ready?
Start him up. Oh.
So there you have it, guys. A very fun and educational way to see how an engine actually works. You can see all the valves move, the pistons move, all the timing gear. Although I don't think we timed it perfectly right. I think that something's happening. But anyway, it is quite a cool educational toy. But we can have some fun with it. So this is the 50,000 RPM Ripper motor. And so far, this has killed absolutely everything. So next we've got to find a way of how we can mount it. But first, let's try it with 2,000 RPMs. So that was 2,000 RPM. This thing can do 50,000 RPM. Oh my God. There we go, motor's all mounted up. Hopefully we got it fairly squarely on there. Got it hot glued on there, so God knows how long it's gonna last. To control the speed controller and the motor, we got this little servo tester here. This is a Banggood special. Link to that down below. What's gonna happen, Stemp?
Ripper time.
Got no health and safety, boys?
Oh, yeah.
Sit down, boy.
Why do I'm not gonna go around the propeller side.
Huh?
Look, this propeller, man.
Stemp is scared.
Well, of course. Will you come sit here then?
I'm doing the power, or do you want to do the
I
power?
don't mind, we can take turns, isn't it?
Go on, I need to be the controller then. You got to turn it that way. But be delicate with it though, man. That's what I mean, it's
What do you
delicate,
mean?
bruv.
It doesn't kick in until halfway.
No, I'm getting round up now. Oh! What happened?
It's melted off.
Alright, we'll glue it back on and then we'll give it another go.
Here we go again.
Round 2. Look at your face. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, straight off, man. Alright, we can turn you off and then be round number 3 after that. Alright, go number 3. And stem solution was more hot glue. So,
More hot glue around the old pinion. Oh, that looks better actually.
there you go, more hot glue on there.
Oh! I didn't like that. Oh, hang on. Look, the block's come away. You didn't screw it down enough.
I did.
Did you? Oh, that's what's happened then. That lifted up.
We need to get some hot glue on the block.
Yeah.
Alright, go number 4.
Ooh.
Oh,
Right now. Oh, she's burning up then. What?
the pinion's come off again.
Smoked up there, Kev.
No, we
I
can't
think
get
the
good
crank's
look.
gone.
You still turning when you turn the motor? Oh, the crank snaps.
Oh, it's gone.
Oh, alright, so next we can attach something that end and hopefully that's going to rip itself something, isn't it?
I hope so.
So this is what snapped off of that end, but this has got some friction in there. Look, you turn this, the amount of load on there, I think that's what's snapping it off. So we're just going to take the timing belt off and let the pistons go.
Oh! Oh, it's all jumping
Oh,
around in
fell
that
out.
fine.
He fell out. Can you get him back in and push him in?
Got him?
Push him in, push him in. There you are. Alright. Alright, there we go. All mounted back on the other end this time. Cam belt off. So now, look, this spin's nice and free. So now, hopefully, we're going to see something fly out of this thing. This is go number 5. 5?
Yeah, mate.
What's going to happen, Stan?
Hopefully the old rods will snap. And the old
I'm
pistons.
hoping we're going to see a hole in the block. Hopefully on this side so you guys can see it. If it's on this side, then hopefully this one will catch it. Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh, the crank's just falling in. Crank's just falling in.
Yeah, what happened?
It's falling in.
Ah, it's game over. It's snapped on this end, look.
That was it.
Yeah, game over. Just smoke it.
How?
Just crank it up on full. Oh, we're standing. Oh, that's down in line with it.
Forgot about these.
Don't go in line with it. Go on, flat out.
Oh, that stings.
It's a bit of an anticlimax though.
No. Oh, that's all glued.
Oh, it is all fell in, isn't it?
Yeah.
We cut it open, have a look.
Yeah, got it. Look. That's
Right, go on, Stan, bang that off, that lid. Oh, we can have a look now. Nah, it's always on these plastic engines. It's the end of the things that go, isn't it?
Yeah, look.
Anyway, guys,
Wasn't that great, was it?
that is it for this video. Thanks to Stan for helping out. Are we shouting you out to something?
No, not yet.
Oh, Stan's working on an invention.
Another idea, another project.
Stan's working on an invention, you have to wait for that.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's it for the video. Thumbs up, subscribe, bell button. Link to this thing down below if you want to buy one. Bye!